In today's video, I am going to teach you how to record macros in Google Sheets. To get started, open your Google Sheets file. You can use a new blank spreadsheet or an existing one, but it is usually easiest to practice on a simple sheet first. Once your spreadsheet is open and you can see your grid of cells, you are ready to begin recording. Next, go to the top menu and click Extensions. This menu is where Google Sheets keeps tools that go beyond basic spreadsheet actions. In the Extensions menu, find and click Macros. Macros are used to record a series of actions you perform in the sheet, so you can replay those same actions later with a single click. After you click Macros, select Record Macro. As soon as you start recording, Google Sheets begins tracking what you do. From this point on, try to perform only the actions you want included in the macro. If you make a mistake, you can always stop and record again, but staying focused helps keep the macro clean and useful. Now, click on Highlight. This means you are going to apply highlighting to cells, usually by selecting a cell or range and choosing a highlight color. Use the highlight option again for the next selection, following the same idea. Google Sheets is capturing each highlight action as part of the recording, including which cells you select and the formatting you apply. When you have finished the highlight actions you want to automate, click Save. Saving ends the recording and prepares your macro to be named and stored. Choose a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple macros for different tasks. After saving, you will perform another highlight action. Click Highlight again to apply the formatting you want recorded for this part. Once you are satisfied with what you recorded, click Save one more time to store the changes and finalize the macro setup. From now on, your macro will be available through Extensions, then Macros, where you can run it to repeat those same highlight actions automatically. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.